Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very lovely vegetarian recipe. It's going to be gram dhal with brinjal. I've got 2 cups of gram dhal boiled. I added half a teaspoon of hurdee to the water and 2 bay leaf as it was boiling. Normally when preparing gram dhal, it must be boiled very soft. And then I have 8 brinjals which I just cut from my garden, and I stripped it into 4 and 2 pieces. For the braising I have half a cup of oil, 1 medium-sized onions that's sliced, and together I have about a dozen of crushed garlic. Then I have some lovely fresh curry leaf to go with, and thyme. Then to garnish, as usual, I'm using my spring onions and frozen dhania. To make my curry just an extra flavor, so I'm using in 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, a teaspoon of hurdee, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of dhania powder, and a teaspoon of jeera powder. For the taste, I'm going to use a level teaspoon of rough salt, but along the way we will taste. Then I have 3 small tomatoes that I cut, and here I have a little bit of biryani spice to braise. I have 2 cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of saunf, 3 Elaichi, and a teaspoon of Jeera. So now I'm ready to braise my gram dhal curry. I've got my stove on moderate heat. I'm going to add in my oil. As my oil is heating up, I'm going to add in my onions. I will allow these onions to fry just a little. My onions are gone soft. It's not fully done. I'm going to add in my cinnamon stick, jeera, saunf, and my elaichi. I will let this fry for a little more while. Now I'm adding in my garlic so we can cook in the oil for a little while. Add in my curry leaf and my thyme. Now I'm going to add in my masalas. The reason why I'm using so much masala to bring out a great flavor, and plus gram dhal and brinjal used to usually be cooked for functions where we used to prepare the curry very rich. The masalas bring out a lot of richness to the curry. These type foods are usually cooked for function the night before a marriage and served with lovely hot puri or rotis, and then we have our beans and our pumpkin. I'm ready to add in my gram dhal to my masala, and as you can see I saved up the boiling water because I'm going to use this water in a later stage for my gravy. This water will be set aside for using it later on for my gravy. Just keep it aside. I give this a good mix. Before the garam dhal come to a fry finish, I'm adding in my salt for taste. I'll give this a mix. And I'll allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Now you can see my garam dhal has dried up and blended well with the spices. When I cut my brinjal, I added a little bit salt to the water so it won't change its color. Adding in my brinjal. And together I'm adding in my tomatoes. Also stir this till the tomato release its gravies. Now I'll decrease my heat and put in my lid and allow this for another 10 minutes, and I will keep watching. 10 minutes has passed us. You can see the entire curry is gone dry. So with this water, I think it's about 2 cups, but I'm going to add in the water gradually. Yeah, 2 cups is okay. I'll give this a nice stir, and then I'll increase my heat a little, bring this to the boil. It will end up being a lovely rich and thick gravy curry. Now I'm going to wait till my tomatoes are cooked out and my brinjals get soft, and then the curry is ready. 15 minutes has passed us, and now you can see the curry is done. But if you prefer to have it even more dry, you can add a little less water, but we like it with a thick gravy finish and not too grainy. And at this point, if you like it rich, you can add a tablespoon of margarine to your curry. So now I'm ready to garnish. I have some frozen dhania, some nice fresh spring onions. So this curry is done. I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your rich and very tasty garam dhal with brinjal. And on the side I have some lovely hot rotis, and together I have a nice very tasty nuts chutney to go along. Thanks for watching and enjoy.